In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Samsung. First of all, you need to find Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and create your own by tapping on this plus icon next to 3 dots. Finally, set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Wednesdays and Fridays. Then you can label your alarm over here if you want to, and enable or disable all of those options by tapping on the switches next to them: alarm sound, vibration, and snooze. If you decide to enable them, you need to click on, for example, snooze first, and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, go back. Now click on vibration, select one of those vibration patterns, and finally click on alarm sound. Now you can select Spotify or ringtone over here, click on one of those melodies, and go back as well. If you wish to change the volume of your alarm, you can swipe left or right over here. You can also tap on ringtone and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner instead. Now pick music from your device by clicking on the song that you wish to set up and choosing Done at the top right corner. Then go back twice and finally save your alarm by choosing Save over here. As you can see, after all that, mine was successfully added. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to make some changes, just tap on it, change whatever you wish to, and click on Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select this pin icon at the bottom right corner, and wait. You can also adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those 3 dots next to plus icon, choosing settings and managing all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!